What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. As you can tell by the title, well, depending on how I titled it, it is gonna be a GR Corolla video, and yeah. It is getting colder now out here where I live in the southwest suburbs of Chicago, and we're swapping back to stock wheels. Sad day, but you know what? It's time to let them go. I got a good buddy of ours, one of my best friends, Doss. He's getting these wheels from me. To be honest, I'm not too sad, really. I love these wheels. They are one of my dream wheels for this car, and I'm glad I got to see it and you know, was able to make it come true. NT03 Plus M's. If you guys don't know what these are, square set. It is 18 by 9.5 plus 27, wrapped in Indy Firehawk 500s. 265/35 are the tire specs. But we're swapping back to stocks, which these, as you can tell, they are so mint. Because, I mean, literally the day that I got this car, I probably didn't even put not even 1,000 miles. No, I put 1,000 miles. Maybe not even 5,000 miles on these wheels. So, legit clean. This brake dust is probably from last year. Tires, you know, they still have like the little hairs on the side. These are NKs as well. Toyota had these, Toyota and NK, sorry, worked together to get these wheels for the Corolla. These are 18 by 8.5, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. I think these are 235s. Yeah, they're 235s. So we're going way thinner. We're going back to stock spec, so I should expect better gas mileage. I don't get horrible gas mileage. I get like 28, 30 miles to the gallon when I'm just chill. So I should probably be theoretically getting maybe 2 or 3 more from the stock wheels. So no immediate plan of getting another set of wheels, to be honest with you guys. Maybe we'll go back to RSO 5RRs. But truthfully, I'm kind of sick and tired of these wheels because the brake dust on them, they're not bad now because I went to go, as you can tell from like the last vlog that I posted, I went to go get this undercoated. And for me, that was 2 days ago. No, that was yesterday. For you guys, it probably was last week or 2 days ago. But for me, it was yesterday, and it's just, the older you get as a car guy, or whatever, the older you get in general, the less you want to do. And I used to love cleaning my wheels, not these ones, but you know, like the RPF ones on my Civic, the RSO 5RRs on the blue car. You know, I think it's just because I had more time. Nowadays I don't really have that much time nor care how clean the wheels are. So it is a absolute cock to clean these things, because not only is it multi-spoke, obviously, but you have these, you know, like an outer ring. And it's just really annoying to get them clean. And on top of the annoyance, my brake dust, the stock brake pads on these, I'm still running stock brakes after 23,000 miles on these cars, on this car. They just cake. Everybody knows it. Whoever is a GR Corolla owner watching this, you know it. These pads are great. They stop on a dime, but at a cost of absolutely caking your wheels. So going back to stocks, at least with those, it won't look as bad when it's all caked up. And yeah, so I don't know what really this video I'm gonna aim to do. Maybe how to modify your car, or I kind of want to show you guys, really. Honestly, I wasn't even planning on videotaping, but since I'm back at the OG garage where everything started at my parents' crib, I figured I'd show you guys my philosophy. I don't know if you guys heard me say this before, but in my opinion, if you're going to modify your car, the first thing you should do is get tints, and lower your car, if that's what you want to do. Because in my opinion, the route you should take it is tints, get rid of the fishbowl look. It'll look 100 times better. I could show you, for example, Doss right now, his car is stock, but he went to go get tints, and it looks 10 times better without the fishbowl look, in my opinion. So first, get your tints done. Then, if you want to really drastically change your car, and you don't know what wheels to get, lower your car first on stock wheels before buying wheels and then lowering it. Because in my opinion, I did this. I did this on this car. Usually on a lot of the previous cars I've had, I always lower it before I get wheels. But this car, I got the NT03s, and for a while I was rocking them with stock suspension. It looks, I mean, it doesn't look bad because it's a rally car, right? But if you were going to do it, if you were planning on getting like a sports car and you were going to get wheels first, like on my Civic, if I didn't lower it first before getting wheels, it would just look like a monster truck. It would just look weird. So I'm gonna show you guys that today. I guess we could do that as a video. Any car you plan on modifying, first step, tints, then lower the car, and I'll show you that lowering your car with stock wheels look damn good. So, yo. All right, guys. First step you want to do, since my car is already lowered, you gotta have like a 2x4 or something. For me, I had to drive it up on a 2x4 here. So this is the wheel we're working with. I had to drive it up so I could get the jack underneath and lift up the wheel. Now, before you do that though, you want to loosen these wheels first. So we're gonna do that first. Yeah. Actually, before I do that, let me show you guys. So I'm gonna use a breaker bar first to just loosen everything. But I have a special lug nut set where 4 out of the 5 per wheel has a 7-sided socket or bolt. That's just to protect myself from my cars getting on a block. Huh? What on? I just got here. To protect myself from, protect the car being on bricks. So I've had this for a while too, for the stock wheels. Toyota specific locking lugs for the stock set. And I'm glad I found it. It's been sitting in my garage for a very long time. So excited to finally open these up and get these installed for the stock wheels. As you can see, they're different style. The stock wheels have a different style of locking lugs. The lugs for these are kind of like this. So there's a cutout where it sits literally on top. It's kind of like there's like a washer, and then it's just a specific bolt for stock wheels. But for aftermarket wheels, you need like cone-shaped style lugs, which I can show you when I break all of these out. And yeah. Alright, just to show you guys real quick, I got one lug off. Sorry it's kind of loud, I'll talk over it, but the difference between an aftermarket lug for your aftermarket wheels versus a stock lug for your stock wheels. Here's the stock, here's the aftermarket. So as you can see, there's a cone shaped here because that's just the way the wheels are designed for the NK NT03s. And as far as I know, I've only had NKs, nothing else, so I'm assuming all aftermarket wheels are like that. You need to have a cone shaped style to get aftermarket, or to use your aftermarket wheels, because if you try to use the lugs, you will severely damage or just completely screw up your wheels. So my advice, once you get wheels, please get yourself lugs. I run Mishimoto's. Yeah, Mishimoto, sorry, I had to look at the box. I run Mishimoto's for my car. You can get them any color. I usually just get them red just because to accent the GR badge. But yeah, I will not be putting these on because I want to just go OEM. Because, I don't know, I trust the Toyota engineers. Hey, right. Oh my god, sorry. Alright, anyways, to illustrate you guys what I was talking about for wheels. The reason why you don't want to run the cone-shaped lugs. So I already got one of my wheel off. I'm not gonna record the whole process of me doing each wheel. That's fucking boring. You can go to another channel if you want to see all 4 wheels get off someone else's car, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh. So anyways, what I was talking about was the red lugs. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but the inside of this wheel is cone shaped. So, and that way you can also, like, it just fits, whatever. Here, you can do the same thing. You could put red lugs on here, but you can see it's just out of place. There's a lot more surface, there's a lot more area here that's missing. The cone, you'll probably start to see a deep edge on alongside this cone shape here, because as you can see, it is very just, it's seated specifically for a stock lug, which, where the fajitas is a stock lug. Okay, stock lug. Stock lug now on a stock wheel. Look how perfect that sits in there. It won't move, it won't go anywhere. You still have a spot. Now, stock lug on an aftermarket wheel. You can't, you're gonna destroy the shit out of your wheels. Like, look how far that sits in there. Like, it'll damage. It'll just damage. Not only that, but I don't even think this will reach. If you were to use a stock lug or an aftermarket wheel, I don't even think you will have enough biting point or threads to lock this onto your hub, even if you could do it. So just stock lugs, stock wheels, aftermarket wheels, aftermarket lugs. So I'm gonna do the rest of the 4 and then show you guys what the car looks like lowered with stock wheels, and why it's better to lower your car first if you want a big aesthetic change. All right, another thing that I totally forgot when I took off the stock wheels or the aftermarket wheels. When buying aftermarket wheels, take a look at center bore specifications. This is a hub-centric ring. I don't know how to explain it without looking I don't want to explain it in a term where you guys might take it literally, or I'm giving misinformation, I don't know. But just look up hub-centric rings, because this sits in the back of the wheel. So like, I'll show you, for example, here on an aftermarket wheel, like on the NK, you need to have a hub-centric ring so that way your wheel isn't like flopping around anywhere and you're not relying on the lugs to center the wheel perfect on your hub. I'll show you, since I have since I have the wheel off anyways, I'll just show you. It's a good thing I did this. Oh, sorry guys, it's so hard to record while I'm talking to you. So here, you see this open area right here? Yeah, if you were to just put that on the hub, there's gonna be an imbalance, right? So what the hub-centric ring does is it takes the measurement of the inner diameter of your wheel to match with the factory bore size. See, so look at that. So in this case, this center of the wheel is bigger, or I'm sorry, yeah, bigger than what's given here, right? So what you need is to enclose that spot. So now this ring goes in here, just so. Now you've converted this size. I already forgot what the size is, gang. I'm not gonna lie with you. I'm gonna have to look it up. But that sits right here, and then it goes onto your hub. I forgot, mine was like 72 to like 60 mm. I already forgot. I'm gonna look back, but some of you guys who are watching the Giro Corolla video or Giro Corolla owner probably know this, so just put it in the comment below. But yeah, I will find that info when I edit this video. But I did have to get hub-centric rings for all 4 corners, so that way everything's in tip-top shape. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna put the stock wheels back on. Stock wheel back on this, so just give me a sec. It's hard to record while I'm doing this. And while you guys are putting on, whether it be stock wheels or aftermarket wheels, back onto the hub, what you want to do is with the lugs, take one for example, you want to finger tight first. Please finger tight. You don't want to go ahead and start whacking each one with a air hammer like I am. I only did the air hammer to loosen it, but I'm gonna go around and torque a specific torque spec on each bolt. So each car is different. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that and put the security lugs on. So see you guys when I'm done with the whole thing. Sorry guys, I totally forgot I didn't update you guys, but here's the wheels. I'm filling up at a Shell gas station now. Oh yeah, still looks really nice with the black wheels. Oh, it looks great. It looks great. So this is what I mean. Look how much better. Look how good the car looks with stock wheels, and you just lower it. You know what I mean? Simple. Well, I shouldn't say simple, but it's simple. Lowering your car first before getting wheels 100% changes the look of the car. That on top of your tint. So yeah, my fuel's done. That's it's a sign for me to stop the video there. Hope you guys enjoyed the GR Corolla video. That's probably gonna be the last thing I'm doing for the GR Corolla this year, at least 2024. Hopefully I post this video in 2024, not 2025. But yeah, it's winter. I don't want to do anything to the car. I don't want to do anything. I can't do anything with the bike. So hopefully I'm at home editing this, all the videos for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys like the GR Corolla video that I put out for you guys. Something simple, but stock wheels back on. Who knows what I'll do next, or what set I'll get next for the GR Corolla. Definitely gonna stick with that in case if I plan on getting another one. See you guys in the next video.